Okay, guys, not gonna make it. He's at some type of sporting event. But, yeah, I think I got a little bit worse than 2 hours ago. But, so I'm gonna make a video about how to, like, home remedies without going to the doctor. 1. You can take a hot bath or shower, and it will kill the infection. And to know if you're sick, you have 2 little glands back here. That's why the doctor is always grabbing you like this. 2nd, stay hydrated. And that means more than a gallon of water. Because you're supposed to drink 8 ounces, 8 servings of 8-ounce cups of water. And that's when you're not sick. Always wash your hands when you're sick. Change your toothbrush after. You want to stay away from milk and dairy products. Diarrhea, cheese though will dry up your shit. And that means you won't have diarrhea anymore. It'll just be poop. And this will save you. This is for like the common cold and shit, where they can't do anything for it. Like throat lozenges, cough drops, Jolly Ranchers, any hard candy that you have to suck on. But cough drops work the best, but I like Jolly Ranchers. Honey works for the sore throat. I have a cure for hiccups. Teaspoon of peanut butter will cure your hiccups. And that's all today, because Dr. Nick has to go find Knob. Goodbye.